Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak English channel. Quick question for you. Can you do this? Can you do that? What can you do?
It's a small word, Emily. Just three letters. C-A-N.
That's right, Paul. It is small, but oh, it is so powerful. We use it all the time to talk about what we can do, to ask for help, to get permission. It's everywhere in English.
And you know what? A lot of my friends who are learning English tell me they get confused with can. When do I say can? When do I say cannot? How do I make a question?
Exactly. So today we are going to solve all of that. In the next 20 minutes, you and I, and Paul, of course, are going to master the word can. We will break it down, practice it slowly, and by the end, you will use it with total confidence.
My name is Paul, and this is Emily. We've been teaching English together for years, and we love making it simple, clear, and fun. So, are you ready?
Let's start right now. Paul, I have a question for you. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I love swimming in the ocean in the summer.
That sounds wonderful. Can you cook?
No, I cannot cook. Well, I can make toast and I can boil an egg, but I can't cook a big fancy dinner.
That's okay. I can cook, but I can't fix a car. Everyone has different skills. Did you hear how we used can? Let's look at the basics. It is very simple. For a positive sentence, to say you are able to do something, we say subject plus can plus verb.
Subject, that means I, you, he, she, we, they.
Perfect. And the verb is the action word. The important rule is this. After can, the verb is always simple. It does not change. Listen, I can swim. You can cook. He can speak French. She can drive. We can sing. They can dance.
So we never say he can speaks French or they can dancing.
Never. No S, no ing, no to. Just the simple verb. I can go. You can eat. She can play. Got it?
I think so. Let me try. Emily can teach English.
Yes, I can.
Our friends at home can learn English.
Wonderful. Now, what about the negative? How do we say we are not able to do something?
We say cannot, or the short form can't.
Right. The structure is the same. Subject, cannot or can't, plus verb. For example, I cannot fly. You can't hear the music. He cannot come today. She can't find her keys.
In speaking, we almost always say can't. It's faster and more natural. I can't swim very well. Sorry, I can't talk right now.
Exactly. Now let's practice together. Everyone at home, repeat after us. Just try. Say, I can speak.
I can speak.
I can't swim.
I can't swim.
She can drive.
She can drive.
He can't cook.
He can't cook.
Excellent! You're doing it. Now questions. This is very important. To make a question, we simply move can to the beginning. Can, subject, verb.
So, you can help becomes can you help?
Perfect. Let's make more. Can I go? Can you hear me? Can he play football? Can she read this? Can we start? Can they come?
And to answer, we usually keep it short. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, she can. No, they can't.
Let's have a little conversation practice. Paul, can you play guitar?
Yes, I can play. I can play a little.
Can you play a song for us now?
No, I can't. I don't have my guitar here.
Fair enough. Can you sing?
Oh, no. I definitely cannot sing. My sister can sing beautifully, but I can't.
Okay, everyone, now you try. Ask a simple question in your mind. Can I learn English? And answer, yes, I can.
We use can for two main things. First, for ability, like we just practiced, what you are able to do. The second is for permission, like asking if something is okay.
Great point. For permission, we often use can I. It's a very polite and common way to ask. For example, can I sit here? Can I use your phone? Can I ask a question?
And the answers are the same. Yes, you can. Or, I'm sorry, you can't.
Let's act out a scene. Imagine we're in a cafe. Paul, can I sit at this table?
Of course you can. Please sit down.
Thank you. Can I try your cake?
This cake is very delicious, but okay, yes, you can try a small piece.
Yay! Can I also have some of your coffee?
No, you can't. Get your own coffee.
See? Simple and useful. Now, we need to talk about pronunciation. This is a tiny secret that makes you sound much more natural. The word can is usually pronounced very weakly in a positive sentence. It sounds like kun or even just kun. Listen, I can do it. You can come. We can go.
But the negative can't is strong and clear. You must hear the T at the end. I can't do it. You can't come. We can't go.
Let's practice the difference. Repeat after me. I can come. I can't come. She can help. She can't help. Good.
Now let's listen to a longer conversation. We will speak at a normal, friendly speed. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen for the word can. How many times do you hear it?
Hi, Paul. Can you help me with something after class?
Sure, I can help. What is it?
I can't understand this grammar exercise. Can you explain it to me?
I can try, but I can't stay very long. I can meet for 20 minutes.
20 minutes is perfect. Can we meet in the library?
Yes, we can meet there. Can you bring the book?
Of course I can. Thank you so much.
No problem. See you then.
Okay, how many did you hear? Let's count together. Can you help me? I can help. I can't understand. Can you explain? I can't stay. I can meet. Can we meet? We can meet. Can you bring? I can. That's 10 times.
It's everywhere. Now let's talk about some common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake number 1, adding to after can. We never say, I can to swim or can you to help me. No to. Just say, I can swim. Can you help me?
Mistake number 2, adding S to the verb. We never say he can speaks English. It's always he can speak English. The verb is simple.
Mistake number 3, using do with can. We never say, do you can swim? The question is always, can you swim?
If you remember these 3 rules, you will avoid the biggest problems. No to, no S on the verb, no do in questions.
Now it's your turn to practice with us. We're going to do something called shadowing. You will try to speak with us at the same time. Copy our words, our rhythm, our pronunciation. It's like singing along with a song. Ready, Paul?
Ready. Let's start slow.
I can learn.
I can learn.
You can do it.
You can do it.
She can't see.
She can't see.
Can we go?
Can we go?
Now a little faster. I can speak English every day.
I can speak English every day.
Sorry, I can't meet you tomorrow.
Sorry, I can't meet you tomorrow.
Can you please repeat that?
Can you please repeat that? Wonderful. That was great. If you do that every day, your speaking will improve so fast.
Let's do a quick quiz to check your understanding. We'll give you a sentence with a mistake. You find the mistake. Ready?
Question 1. She can to play the piano. What's wrong?
The mistake is to. We don't say can to. Correct sentence, she can play the piano.
Excellent. Question 2. Can he drives a car?
The mistake is drives. After can, use the simple verb drive. Can he drive a car?
Perfect. Last one. They know can come.
We don't use no like that. We use can't. Correct sentence, they can't come.
You are all doing so well.
Now, we want to give you a challenge. Your mission after this video is to use can 5 times. Say 5 sentences out loud about yourself. For example, I can cook eggs. I can't play chess. I can speak 2 languages. Say them to your mirror, your pet, or write them in the comments below. We read every comment.
Learning English is a journey. Some days are easy, some days are hard. But remember this, you can do it. Every time you watch a video, every time you practice a sentence, you are getting better.
Absolutely. Be patient with yourself. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Paul and I are here to help you every step of the way.
So, before we finish, let's review the most important things. 1. Positive sentences. I, you, he, she, we, they, can plus simple verb.
2. Negative sentences. I, you, he, she, we, they, can't plus simple verb.
3. Questions. Can, I, you, he, she, we, they plus simple verb.
Use it for ability. I can swim. Use it for permission. Can I come in?
And pronounce it weakly when positive, can, strongly when negative, can't.
You have all the tools now. The rest is practice.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports our channel.
And if you want to continue learning with us, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. We make new lessons every week to help you speak English with confidence.
In the comments, tell us, what is one thing you can do very well and one thing you can't do yet? Let's chat.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today. Remember, you can learn English. You are learning English right now.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.